Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made cinnamon salt dough ornaments. So with this craft, you will just need flour, cinnamon, salt, and water. So it's a very simple little craft. You can find the ingredients in your kitchen, and I was really excited to finally try this out. These are the molds that I ended up using. I think I got these at Walmart or Meijer, and then those in the back, the stamps, I ended up finding at Target, and I think these gingerbread men and the stockings as well. These ended up being the best option for the ornaments, in my opinion, from what I could find. And then you'll need these cake decorating tips to make the holes on your ornaments to hang them up, and some twine as well, or yarn. So you're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of cinnamon, 1 cup of salt, and then 3/4 cup of water after you whisk the dry ingredients. And this recipe did call for 3/4 cup, but I had to add a little more to just make it the perfect consistency. You'll know once you need it how much it needs and everything. Then I did use the molds, and I did not end up liking the molds as an ornament, so I just use it as decor. You'll see later what I did with some of these. One tip I do have is use gloves if you end up doing this, because there is salt and cinnamon mixed together, so if you have very sensitive skin like me, it will probably burn your hands like it did mine. This is your reminder to also put the holes for the ornaments, because I almost forgot before I put this in the oven to make the holes. After preheating your oven 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you will want to put the ornaments in the oven for 30 minutes. This is what it should look like when you take it out of the oven after 30 minutes. So I really love nutcrackers, but I wasn't sure what I would do with these leftover molds that I made, because I didn't want to make them into ornaments. So I thought, okay, let me paint them gold. I used some antique gold rub and buff, and I painted them, and then I figured I could put them on an extra wreath my mom had that she hadn't used yet. And it's a small wreath. I think she got it at Hobby Lobby, and I ended up putting some on the wreath with some leftover florals that she had and pine cones, and I made my own little simple design, and I thought it was really cute. So if that ever happens to you, if you make a craft like this and it just doesn't end up going as planned, you can still use it and paint it and put it on a canvas or something else. You just have to be creative and think of something to do with it. So this wreath was made by my mom, and I love how she put these frosted berries around it, and then she had the idea of putting this little red house ornament hanging in the middle. And I think she got this little ornament at Meijer or Walmart, I can't remember. I think Walmart. And then the wreath and everything else is from Hobby Lobby, as always. And then it was time for me to paint the ornaments. If you don't want to paint it, you can just leave them as is. I really like how it looks, kind of like it's wood. I don't know how that happened, but I love how cracked it is on the sides and on the middle and everything. It really does look like a piece of wood. especially on the edges there with these round ones. So you can leave it like this. This is how my mom liked them. Just, it's very rustic and she likes it like this. So once I was done, I'm just showing you guys the finished product on the tree, and I thought that they turned out really nice. They smell amazing. This looks like my brother with a Santa hat on. This craft is really fun to make if you have kids, nieces, or nephews, and you want to just have some fun last-minute craft with them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below, like this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and I hope to see you next time.